let's add a control bar to this element. So for each hover, change something, right? Go into your index and just copy your last one, your switch bar 4. We're just going to reuse this and change it a little bit. So paste that in, and the ID, we're going to change this to not switch bar because it's really not. I'm just going to call it a control bar, control dash bar. And instead of that being vertically, I wanted to create something that's more horizontally bar, and it's going to put it beneath the others. So I don't know why, but right now it's set to be around a 96 width, 150, 135 high, but I want it the other way. So I want it to be 150 width and 100 in height. And this is just one, this is the view box, this is the div area kind of, right? Or the canvas if you want. And we also need to change the filling of the canvas down here. So let's add width 150 and the height to 100, and let's see what that does in our code. So that does the same, but you can see it's now vertically aligned. So we need to add some CSS to this to make sure it's scaled down. So let's use the ID here, control bar, go into our style, hashtag control bar, do this, oh, not a 9, I don't know where that came from. And let's do a width of 150 and see what that does to our code. So now we can see it's up here, that's pretty nice, right? Let's move it down. So we're just gonna actually take this from the canvas or the DOM or the document, our HTML document, and we're just gonna use position absolute because it's groovy in this case. Absolute. And we're going to use it from top, we're going to punch it down 200 pixels, and from left we're going to punch it in 100 pixels. So this is what happens when I do this, right? So I don't know what it looks like, weird, but anyways, this is now our structure for our CSS, and we're going to be now connecting everything. So if you remember before where we used the tilde sign, we're going to be using that in the next video as well.